If your Amazon Prime account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Amazon account notifications for the specific reason behind the restriction. Understanding the issue is crucial for your appeal. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect any relevant information or documentation that supports your case. This may include receipts, account activity, or any communications with Amazon. Step 3. Write a clear appeal letter. Draft a concise appeal letter addressing the restriction. Clearly state your account details, the reason for the restriction, and provide any evidence that supports your claim. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Help section. Find the option to appeal account restrictions and submit your appeal letter along with any supporting documents. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Amazon. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable time frame, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Amazon Prime. Good luck!